honey ginger dressing. If you loved my fresh basil vinaigrette, wait till you try this one. I made this for my girlfriend. I asked her to dress the salad. She took a taste and she said, yeah, I'll dress the salad and then I'm gonna drink the rest out of the jar. Same easy gig. We're gonna measure it in the jar, we're gonna blend it in the jar, and then we're gonna store it in the jar. You can serve it out of the jar. 1 cup of pure organic avocado oil, 4 tablespoons of organic rice vinegar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic local honey, 1 tablespoon of organic miso paste. Guys, miso paste has over 350 strains of good bacteria. Some soy is really bad for you and some soy is actually really good for you. Tomorrow, tune in and I'm gonna talk about the differences of soy. Because not only am I the queen of salads, but I'm also a functional medicine certified health coach. And 15 years ago, I had tons of health issues. And this is why I do what I do, because I want to inspire you guys to do better for your health. Oh, and back to the recipe. We're almost done. 1 clove of garlic, a little salt and pepper to taste, and 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. You're gonna peel your ginger, and then make sure you catch this part. Your ginger is gonna be kind of stringy, right? So you want to slice your ginger against the grain so that it doesn't get stringy in your dressing. Some recipes call to grate all that ginger, but as long as you slice it thin against the grain, you can put it in your jar just like that and then blend it with your immersion blender. Super fast and easy. Add just a little bit of water to this, like a tablespoon, just to get it to the right consistency. You can always add more. And here we go. Amazing. Like and follow for more.